So I don't normally make this kind of video, but I found it too funny not to share. I was browsing the internet tonight and I came across this Facebook post for an off-road park in Texas. Some guy almost completely submerged his Ram TRX. Now, I don't want to tell somebody what to do with their money. You know, you got $90,000, $100,000 to spend on a truck. You do with it as you please. But it's insanity to me that you would take it to an off-road park and drive across what has to be 4 to 5 foot deep water, like just drove it right across the center. I mean, water was in his tailgate all the way up to his doors. Part of the doors are submerged. Like, I don't understand how he didn't completely flood the truck. I don't know if he did. I don't know if he ended up getting the truck out. I don't know if there was any flood damage to the truck. All I have are some pictures that I found on a Facebook post, but that's insanity to me. Like, who does that? And does insurance even cover it? Like, I don't know. Like, okay, so for some backstory. A Ram TRX is one of the most sought after trucks and one of the most hard to find trucks in the country right now. They range from $75,000 to $93,000 MSRP, and they go up much higher than that with dealer markups. I had one back in March. I sold it for profit sometime in April, and have moved on from the TRX, but I'm debating buying another one. Of course, I'm going to find anything I can news related to the Ram TRX as I try to decide whether or not I'm going to buy a 2021 or wait for the 2022. And coming across this post, it's just, come on, people. You got to make smarter decisions than that. Who takes a $90,000 truck and just drives it through 4, 5, 6 foot of water? That just blows my mind. It's like these folks who leave Cars and Coffee or car shows and just gun their car and they just destroy it for very little reason. It's just stupidity. I don't know. You know, I like nice cars and I drive nice cars, but I also take care of my cars. I'm not dropping a fortune on these cars only to turn around and be stupid and just completely destroy it. It's too much of an investment. The Ram TRX is a one-of-a-kind truck right now. There's nothing that compares to it in the off-road sector. The Ford Raptor is the closest, but the Ford Raptor doesn't have nearly the power that the Ram TRX does. 702 horsepower, 0 to 60 time. It has the 0 to 60 time of a lot of muscle and supercars. Like, it's a fast truck. It's 6,400 pounds. 6,400 pounds. You submerge that in water and you add all that water weight and whatever you're towing and whatever you're got on the back of the truck or whatever you got in the cab, and you're just going to sink it. It's going to sink down into the mud and you're not getting it out. Like, I don't care if you've got 4x4 or not. It's just not going to do it. Don't be stupid with your trucks, folks. That's just, it's completely ridiculous to me. And it was hilarious. I just, as you can see from the pictures, completely preventable. People are going to do what they want to do. And like I said, I'll never begrudge somebody doing what they want to do with their money. But that is something else. $100,000 truck just completely sank. Hopefully I'll have another T-Rex soon. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and y'all take it easy.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Going to be reeling over this with the higher totals in the lakes and reservoirs and the creeks. And another shot of heavy rain tonight. Right now we are quiet. It is mostly cloudy. The showers have been peak this afternoon. Possible in tonight. Cold front moves moving around. Some areas will last. The showers will last into the morning hours Saturday.
Oh